Hi, my name's Aid McCormack. I'm here at HP Discover, and with me is Mike Donnellan, EMEA sales lead for BPS for HP Enterprise Services. Mike, what are the differences between BPO and BPS?
Well, BPO, or business process outsourcing, was very much associated with the old world, the old way of working. Very much a focus on very simple cost takeout and some limited business simplification. BPS, or business process services, is very, very different. This is really about fundamentally transforming the business and the operating model of clients' businesses. Let me give you two examples. First example is in travel and hospitality. Today, the leading operators in the market are talk to their customers about the digital hotel experience, enabled by multifunctional devices, the always on, do business and interact anywhere, expand and enrich the customer experience in ways that were not previously possible. For these customers, the end result is the ability to generate significant incremental revenue and profitability by selling services to their customers that they're not selling today. That's the first example. In the second example, we're talking about the disruptive impact of the digital era on banking and financial services. And we have a customer here in Spain where we can help them open a new client bank account in a matter of minutes with hardly any manual intervention. That contrasts and compare with the old ways of doing business that was paper intensive and took weeks to complete and that was costly.
Clearly, technology is at the heart of what you do. How are you embracing, if you like, new technologies in the BPS service?
Well, HP is at the forefront of some tremendously exciting breakthroughs in technology around digitization, automation of knowledge work, the exploitation of artificial intelligence, analytics, which of course all comes together with a services wrapper around the whole One HP proposition that brings together infrastructure, security, cloud, applications, data, analytics to deliver transformational business outcomes for customers.
How would you describe the value proposition that HP offers in respect of BPS?
Well, there are a number of things that need to be different compared to the old your mess for less motto. The first one is the proposition needs to provide strategic, structural, competitive advantage for the customer. That's the first thing. The second thing, it needs to create new capabilities to enrich the customer experience in ways that are not previously possible in the conventional world. That's the second thing. The third one is they need to drive incremental revenues and sources of profitability from things that are simply not done today. So I would say those are the three most compelling features of the new value propositions.
Now, HP is traditionally used to selling to the infrastructure manager, the CIO, but this proposition sounds like it's more of a boardroom proposition. So how do you go about delivering the message?
Well, the architect of change in all major corporations today that we serve as our customers is the CEO and the CFO. So these propositions are anchored in the boardrooms of our client companies, and they involve a lot more collaboration in their design and implementation. They have to map onto the blueprint and the vision that clients have of structural change that's happening in their industries. So, for example, if you look at the way music, entertainment and media is now bought, consumed and enjoyed, it's completely different to the old days of vinyl records and waiting outside movie theatres. Very, very different. And what we see is the disappearance of many of those traditional leaders in those industries with new startups. And we're at the forefront of helping to create that new world.
Well, thank you very much, Mike.
Thank you.